There is one thing we can all agree upon. The American dream remains rooted in homeownership. But today, your American dream is being built in a factory. With a factory-built home, you have the opportunity to pick your floor plan, decor, options, and colors. You get the best of both worlds. A brand new home that's built to your specifications with all the features you want, but without the high cost and lengthy construction timelines of site-built homes. Today's modern factory-built homes offer all the modern conveniences and amenities that you would expect in a traditional home, such as a modern kitchen, spacious living areas, and ample storage. And with your own land, you can create an outdoor oasis that's perfect for entertaining, relaxing, or just spending time with family and friends. Make the American dream your dream as well. To learn more, contact your local factory-built home retailer today.